Hello everyone, welcome to today's video where we will delve into the world of our amazing bodies. Our bodies are incredible machines, capable of so much more than we give them credit for. Today, we're exploring 10 awesome body hacks that have the potential to significantly change your life. These are simple, practical tips and tricks that can help solve some of those everyday problems we all face. From finding a surprising cure for hiccups to reducing eye strain or even resetting your internal clock, these hacks are all about understanding our bodies better. The more we know, the healthier and more comfortable our lives can be. So, are you ready to discover some fascinating facts about your own body? Great! So sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed by these fantastic body hacks. Starting off with a common annoyance, let's talk about hiccups. We've all been there, in the middle of a meal or a conversation, when suddenly we're interrupted by a bout of hiccups. Annoying, isn't it? But what exactly are hiccups? They occur when a spasm contracts the diaphragm, a large sheet of muscle that separates the chest cavity from the abdominal cavity. This sudden contraction causes us to take a quick breath in, followed by a sudden closure of our vocal cords, which produces the hic sound. Now let's dive into how drinking water upside down can help stop them. The idea is that this unusual method of drinking can distract your body and reset your diaphragm, helping to stop the hiccup reflex. But there's more to it. Drinking water upside down can also increase carbon dioxide levels in your blood, which has been shown to help suppress hiccups. Here's how to do it. First, fill a glass with water. Next, bend over at the waist, putting your mouth on the far side of the glass. As you tilt the glass away from you, the water will flow into your mouth. It may feel a bit strange at first, but with practice, it becomes easier. Remember to drink slowly and carefully to avoid choking or spilling. It's a simple trick, but it can be surprisingly effective. And while it may not work for everyone or for every case of hiccups, it's a harmless method to try. Just be sure to stand up slowly afterwards to avoid getting dizzy. So the next time you find yourself with a case of the hiccups, consider giving this method a try. After all, when it comes to hiccups, any relief is welcome, right? Give it a try next time hiccups catch you off guard. Ever felt queasy and wished for a quick fix? Here's a solution. Have you ever heard of acupressure? It's an ancient healing technique that involves applying pressure to certain points on the body to alleviate various ailments. And yes, it can even help with that pesky nausea. Let's focus on one specific acupressure point that's been shown to have a significant effect on nausea relief, the P6 point, also known as Ne Guan. The P6 point is located on your inner forearm, about 2.5 finger widths below the crease of your wrist. To find it, place 3 fingers at the base of your wrist, and you'll feel a space between 2 large tendons. That's where the P6 point resides. Now, how do you apply pressure to this point? It's quite simple. You can use your thumb or index finger to press down on the P6 point. Apply steady, moderate pressure for about 2 to 3 minutes. You might feel a slight discomfort or tingling sensation. That's perfectly normal and a sign that you're doing it correctly. This technique is so handy because you can do it anywhere, anytime. Whether you're on a boat battling seasickness, in a car dealing with motion sickness, or just feeling a bit queasy after a meal, you can apply pressure to the P6 point for immediate relief. But remember, while acupressure can provide temporary relief for nausea, it's not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you're experiencing persistent or severe nausea, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional. Acupressure is a safe and natural method to alleviate discomfort. And the beauty of it is that it empowers us to take an active role in our own health and well-being. So the next time you're feeling a little queasy, why not give the P6 acupressure point a try? Remember, gentle pressure is key. Moving on, let's tackle that annoying tickling sensation in the throat. We've all been there, right? In the middle of a quiet room, your throat starts tickling, and you're desperately trying to suppress a cough. Well, here's a cool body hack that might surprise you. The throat and the ears are connected by nerves. When your throat tickles, often due to dryness or irritation, these nerves can be stimulated, sending signals to your brain that something's not quite right. This is why you feel the urge to cough. But did you know that you can trick these nerves? Here's how it works. By scratching the inside of your ear, you can create a reflex in the throat that can cause it to contract. This contraction can relieve that tickling sensation. It's as if you're pressing a magical stop tickling button located inside your ear. Fascinating, isn't it? Now, before you go sticking your fingers in your ears, it's important to do this safely. Never use sharp objects or insert your finger too deeply. You don't want to risk damaging your ear. Instead, gently scratch the inside of your ear with a clean finger. You can also use a soft tissue or cotton swab if you prefer. Remember, the idea is to stimulate the nerves, not to cause discomfort. Just a small note of caution though. This hack may not work for everyone. Our bodies are unique and react differently, but it's definitely worth a try. It's a simple and natural way to potentially provide instant relief from that pesky tickle. So, next time you feel a tickle, give your ear a tiny scratch. You might just find that it's the perfect remedy. And the best part, it's a solution that's always at hand, or should we say, at the tip of your fingers. Happy scratching! Ever experienced tired or strained eyes after a long day at the computer? Here's a simple rule to help. In our technologically driven world, we often find ourselves glued to our digital screens for hours on end, whether it's for work, study, or leisure. This prolonged screen time can lead to something called digital eye strain. Symptoms may include dry eyes, blurred vision, and even headaches. But don't worry, there's a simple rule that can help alleviate these symptoms. It's called the 20-20-20 rule. The 20-20-20 rule is a simple yet effective way to give your eyes a much-needed break. It's all about taking regular breaks at specific intervals to reduce the strain on your eyes. Here's how it works. Every 20 minutes, take a break and shift your gaze to something that's at least 20 feet away from you. Maintain this gaze for a full 20 seconds. This practice is designed to relax the focusing muscle inside your eyes and can make a significant difference in reducing eye strain. Now you might be asking, why 20 feet? Well, gazing at a distance allows your eyes to relax and reset, reducing the strain caused by staring at a close-up screen. And why 20 seconds? This is approximately how long it takes for your eyes to fully relax. Incorporating the 20-20-20 rule into your daily routine is easy. You could set a timer to remind yourself to take a break every 20 minutes or use a free app that can do this for you. Eye health is as important as any other aspect of our physical well-being. So next time you find yourself in front of a screen for an extended period, remember the 20-20-20 rule. It's a simple, effective way to give your eyes the rest they need. And if you're experiencing persistent eye discomfort, it's always a good idea to consult with an eye care professional. Remember, your eyes need rest too. Lastly, let's discuss how you can reset your body's internal clock through eating. It's a fascinating fact that our body's internal clock, or the circadian rhythm, is significantly influenced by our eating habits. This biological clock helps regulate our sleep, mood, and even hunger levels. The first step in resetting your internal clock is understanding your current eating schedule. Do you tend to eat late at night? Or maybe you're skipping meals due to a busy schedule. These habits can disrupt your circadian rhythm, leading to issues like insomnia or feeling groggy during the day. Now, to reset your internal clock, you need to gradually shift your meal times. If you're a night owl, try to have dinner a bit earlier each night until you're eating at a more reasonable hour. If you're an early bird, try pushing breakfast a little later each morning. Remember, consistency is key. Try to eat your meals at the same time every day. It might be challenging at first, but your body will soon adapt to the new schedule. Additionally, it's crucial to pay attention to what you're eating. Foods rich in tryptophan, such as milk, turkey, and eggs, can promote sleepiness. On the contrary, foods high in protein can give you a burst of energy. So plan your meals accordingly. Also, avoid heavy meals close to bedtime. Eating a big meal late at night can interfere with your sleep, which in turn disrupts your internal clock. Instead, opt for a light snack if you're feeling peckish before bed. Lastly, don't forget about hydration. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help regulate your body's functions, including your sleep-wake cycle. So, that's it. Resetting your internal clock through eating is all about consistency, mindful meal planning, and hydration. It's a simple but powerful way to improve your sleep, mood, and overall well-being. So time your meals right and enjoy a more balanced body clock. Well, there you have it. 5 awesome body hacks that could change your life. Let's take a moment to recap these easy yet groundbreaking techniques we've covered today. First, we explored the hiccup hack. A hiccup is more than just an amusing quirk of the human body. It can be downright annoying, especially when it just won't stop. But by drinking water upside down, we can increase the carbon dioxide levels in our blood, which can often stop those pesky hiccups in their tracks. It's a simple solution to a common problem that you can try anytime, anywhere. Next, we looked at the power of acupressure for nausea relief. Remember the P6 point on your wrist? By applying gentle pressure to this point, you can help alleviate feelings of nausea. whether they are caused by motion sickness, pregnancy, or even chemotherapy. It's a natural remedy that's been used for centuries, and now you have this knowledge at your fingertips. We also discussed an unusual yet effective technique for relieving a tickling throat: scratching your ear. It may sound surprising, but by stimulating the nerves in your ear, you can cause a reflex in your throat that can alleviate that tickling sensation. So the next time you have that annoying tickle, give your ear a gentle scratch. Then we ventured into the realm of eye health with the 20-20-20 rule. In our digital age, eye strain is a common problem. But by following this rule, every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. We can reduce eye strain and protect our vision. It's a small change that can make a big difference, especially for those of us who spend long hours in front of a computer screen. Lastly, we talked about resetting your internal clock through eating. Our bodies have a natural rhythm, and when it's disrupted by shift work or jet lag, it can have significant effects on our health and well-being. But by adjusting our eating schedule, we can help reset our body's internal clock. It's a fascinating insight into how our bodies work and how we can work with them to maintain our health. Together, these 5 body hacks offer simple, practical solutions to some of the most common everyday problems. They're easy to incorporate into your daily routine and can provide significant benefits to your overall health and well-being. But don't just take our word for it. We encourage you to try these hacks for yourself and see the difference they can make. And once you've tried them, we'd love to hear about your experiences. Did you find them helpful? Did you discover any new hacks of your own? Sharing your experiences can help others who are searching for solutions to the same problems. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding our bodies and how they work, we can take control of our health and well-being. These hacks are just the beginning. There's a whole world of health tips and tricks out there waiting to be discovered. So keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, keep taking care of your health, because you deserve to live your best, healthiest life. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content. Stay healthy and stay smart.